Daily activities and time. Hi Anna. What time do you usually wake up?
Hi, Lily. I usually wake up at 6 in the morning. How about you?
I wake up at 6:30. What do you do after that?
I brush my teeth, take a shower, and have breakfast at 7 o'clock.
Do you go to school after breakfast?
Yes, I do. I leave home at 7:30.
What time do you get home?
I get home at 3 in the afternoon. How about you?
I get home at 4 o'clock. In the evening I do my homework at 7.
Same here. I usually study until 9 o'clock.
What do you do after that?
I watch TV for a while and go to bed at 10 o'clock.
That's a good daily routine.
Yes, it helps me stay organized.